Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We got this 2012 Silverado in. We're doing an underbed notch, and we're also fixing the frame. Haven't taken the bed off to see what's going on, but the customer stated the frame is cracked, causing the bed to be misaligned. So we'll get the bed off. We'll take a video of that, and then we'll come back and we'll see what's going on. All right, well, definitely can see a bow in the frame. It's cupped, rear's higher, and this type of stuff just shouldn't be done. I mean, they just, if you're gonna notch a truck, don't do this. I'm gonna cut all this out and we're gonna make it right. Just, come on, don't do this, please. Take it to someone who knows what they're doing. You're not gonna be happy. This customer's frame's bent, both sides. Yeah, don't be that guy. All right. I'll get it jacked up. We'll get the wheels off, and then we'll cover the back glass, and then we'll start getting things cut off. More than likely, relieve the pressure off the suspension and the shocks, everything off that frame. That way it's easy for me to mess with and get it straightened out. We'll get it fixed for the customer. All right, as you saw, got it all in the air, wheels off, everything prepped, window covered. Get the level out, start checking everything, get some measurements. We'll start cutting the crap off. This one's getting a new reckless underbed notch. Yeah, actually, I'll get it out right now. Here, you guys get the help. Reckless underbed. As you've seen, I've installed many. We'll get this installed and we'll get the frame straightened out. Not even like, why wouldn't you have welded that at least? You can put it on square or straight or correct. This one belongs over there. And that one belongs over here, if they were to be actually bolted up correctly. Alright, hot out here. But I will say we just knocked that out. Got these cut off. While cutting them off, this piece here just broke. Oh, maybe there's this side down here. Wasn't even welded correctly on there and just broke right off. I have to cut everything else off, that's fine though. That one cut off, got it all off in one piece. Cleaned up just this back side, but the rest got it all cut off without and then you can see here, I don't know what happened, but it's beat in, but we'll be cutting this out with the new reckless notch. It actually covers that, I'll show y'all shortly. But after taking all that apart, I put jack stands under the back just in case, but just letting it free hang, it has straightened itself out. So just, again, take it to someone who knows what they're doing, please. This is y'all's lives that you're risking. Now I'll get the string on this side as well and double check it. But so far so good. It's looking real good. Could have been worse. From what I feel, someone put jack stands instead of there and let the rear be natural. They had jack stands under the axle, which applied pressure. And that pressure back here, since that's cut, since they cut that out, cut. And then they welded that in, and it, as you saw, with the bed. So we'll go take a little break. These temperatures are getting warm, it's about to rain, and we'll get back on it. Everything's cleaned up, notches are prepped and ready to weld in. They're just set in place at the moment. I'll go ahead and weld the outsides all the way around on both sides. Then I'll come in here, cut all this out. Notches welded up, all the outsides. Next I'll cut all this out. We'll stick the other plates in. These are the plates right here. I'll clean up the edges on different sizes, the ones that meet. And I'll go up in here. cutting those now, putting the plates on. Then we'll paint it, cut the bed support, and this one's done. I've already checked with the string line prior to doing this, straightened the frame, and then then I double checked with the string line after, right before taking this video. Everything's nice and straight. It's all cut out. The plates are prepped. All shiny where they need to be, where I need to weld. That side's got a clamp holding it. We'll set the camera up and go ahead and finish welding this up. When we get the bed on, and we'll show you that bed gap. All welded up. Now it just needs some paint. We'll paint it up, get the bed put on. And then we'll get the wheels on, and it's gonna be out of here. It's all finished. Wheels are tight, torque the spec. Got a bed gap again. Before it was touching and pushing into this. Now I can put my hand back here like normal. This one's ready. Off to the next one.